At first, AI was a distant idea. It lived in faraway laboratories and foreign headlines spoken about as something meant for the future. But slowly, quietly, it found its way to Africa, not through noise, but through necessity. On a continent built on resilience and innovation, AI arrived not as a luxury but as a solution. In villages and cities alike, AI began to listen. It learnt local languages, accents, and rhythms of speech. From Swahili and Hausa to Amharic and Zulu, technology started to understand African voice. Mobile phones became the gateway, small screens carrying big intelligence. Farmers received messages predicting rainfall and crop disease. Traders used AI to track prices. Health workers used smart systems to reach patients in remote areas. Then AI learned to see Africa. It analyzed satellite images to monitor drought, floods, and deforestation. It helped governments plan roads and water systems. In hospitals, AI-assisted tools detected illnesses where doctors were few and resources limited. In classrooms, students accessed personalized learning even when textbooks were scarce. But Africa asked an important question. Will this intelligence serve the people or replace them? The answer unfolded slowly. AI did not take away Africa's ingenuity. It strengthened it. Entrepreneurs used AI to build startups from Nairobi to Lagos, Cape Town to Kigali. Young developers trained models on African data, telling African stories in digital form. AI became a tool for inclusion, opening doors for women, youth, and small businesses long left out of global systems. In creative spaces, AI met culture. It learned the beats of Afrobeats, the patterns of Kitenge and Kanga, the rhythm of spoken word and storytelling. Musicians, photographers, designers, and filmmakers used AI to amplify their work, reaching global audiences without losing local identity. Tradition did not disappear. It evolved. Still, Africa remained cautious. The continent understood that technology without ethics can deepen inequality. Questions of data ownership, fairness, and access mattered deeply. Africa knew that AI trained elsewhere might not understand African realities, so the call became clear. Build AI by Africans for Africans. Today, AI walks alongside the continent. It helps a farmer plan a season, a student dream beyond boundaries, a business grow across borders, and a community prepare for tomorrow. It is not perfect, but it is powerful when guided with wisdom. The story of AI in Africa is not about machines replacing people. It is about tools empowering communities, intelligence supporting human dignity, and technology working hand in hand with culture. AI is not Africa's future. Africa is shaping the future of AI.